Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This year's a 2015 BMW X5, dark gray metallic on the exterior with the beige interior. Currently has 17,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: it's an xDrive 35i model, panoramic view sunroof, blind spot assist, collision prevention, dual zone climate control, Harman & Kardon audio. We'll come around and take a quick look at the interior. Dark wood trim throughout, large display for the navigation system, backup camera. These seats are heated, a dual power front seat with driver position memory. A good look at that panoramic view roof. It does go to the rear of the vehicle. And all the details can be seen anytime at eimports4Less.com. And we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks again.